Welcome back to Algo Trading series using Amibroker from Market Secrets. In this episode, we are going to learn how to create a trend chart in the Amibroker. There is a famous saying in trading, trend is always your friend. So when you identify a major trend, then you will get huge profits. In that sense, creating an AFL for identifying trend in the chart is extremely critical. Amibroker AFL for trend identification plays a vital role in any algo trading system. If you are a trader, then Trend AFL absolutely saves analysis time. Today, we focus on Trend Identification AFL, which identifies the trend using the exponential moving average and MACD. So what this AFL will do? This AFL will identify the trend in the chart and will color the candle accordingly for easy identification of the trend while trading. So if the candle is painted in red, it indicates that the stock is in downtrend. If the candle is painted in green, it indicates that a stock is in uptrend. And if the candle is painted in yellow, it indicates that stock is in consolidation and we need to trade with caution. This is the simple way to identify a trend. We just follow the colors green, red, and yellow. It is easy and better to watch the candle color for the trends instead of spotting it manually. So let's do it. So I have the AFL here. So I'm just dragging and dropping it into my chart. So if you look at here, entire color of the chart, it got changed now. So if you look at the chart now, if the stock is in downtrend based on our conditions, it will plot all the candles in red. If the stock is in uptrend based on our conditions, the candles will be plotted in green. And if the chart is in sideways movement or in consolidation, then the candles will be plotted in yellow. So this simplifies our job greatly. But this AFL is only a trend indicator and not a trading system. But you can easily convert it into a full-fledged trading system by adding few confirmation signals to it. The chart shows that when the candle color is yellow, then the trend is sideways for some times. But when it is shown as green candle, then it is going in an uptrend. And if there is red candle, it indicates it is in a downtrend. So moving on to the script, let me open the script now. So this is the script that is used to create this particular trending view chart. So if you look at the script, the first set of codes, the first two lines, right? These are used for assigning the period for the exponential moving average and also getting the EMA value in the variable. So we are assigning the period first and we are using the period and close value to get the EMA value and we are assigning it to the variable EMA calc. So this is what we are doing in the first set of lines. And now in the next set of lines, we are creating three conditions. So in these set of lines, we are creating three different conditions. So condition one, this will become true if the candle closes above the EMA value and MACD line is greater and above the signal line. And the condition 2 will become true if the candle closes above the EMA value, but the MACD line is below the signal line, or if the candle closes below the EMA value, but the MACD line is above the signal line. So this is for the flat or the sideways market. And lastly, the condition 3, this will become true if the candle closes below the EMA value and MACD line is lower and below the signal line. So these are all the three conditions. In the next part of the script, we are plotting the price chart and then we are assigning a title to the chart. And once that is done, we are moving to the chart painting. So now we are assigning both the trending conditions, that is condition 1 and condition 2, to the up bar and down bar variable. So we are now assigning both the trending conditions to two variables and then we select the chart type and data to be used. So if you look at here, we are selecting the chart type as candlestick chart because the value is 64 and we are also selecting the value to be plotted. And finally, in the last set of code, we are designing the candle color. For up bar, we are using value 5, which will indicate green color. For down bar, we are using value 4, which indicates the red color. And for other candles, we'll be using yellow color, which is represented by number 42. And lastly, we are plotting the EMA that we have used at the start, right? We are plotting this EMA in white color in our chart. So going back to, the chart. So this is how your chart would look like. So you have the EMA, which is plotted in white. And if the market is trending downwards, all the candles will be in red. So you can easily identify the trend with the chart itself instead of going for multiple set of rules. Likewise, if the stock is in an uptrend, so it will be marked in green, and if the stock is slightly sideways, then it will be marked in yellow. So this is how this particular script works. So with this, we have come to end of this episode. If you have any queries, feedbacks, or concerns about this particular episode, please leave it down in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer and address it. Also, check out our website, which is www.marketsecrets.in, for various data feeds and free e-learnings. And lastly, hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.